Okay, so hey guys, welcome to TechBirdie. In this video, we will talk about Conio.h header file in C programming, which is generally creating the problem in today's era compilers and not executing the program completely. So, in this video, we will be discussing about how to resolve that issue in the today's compilers and how we can run the program easily by just simply making some changes. So let's begin the video. So I will here use my VS Code compiler for just resolving the same, and I will open it here. So as you can see, I have written a code as written in the previous compilers, as you might have seen some of the YouTube persons writing these codes, or you might have seen on some websites these kind of code written as like using the conio.h header file in them and using some of the commands like clr scr commands for clearing the screen and get ch commands for just stopping the screen after displaying the results. So as now I will run this program in front of you, and as per the output, first let's discuss what should come. So as per the output, first the computer should clear the screen, then print there hello welcome here, and then it should stop as we have used the getch command. So the computer must stop there until we hit enter. So then we will hit enter, and again the computer will clear the screen. So this output that was displayed hello welcome here will disappear, and hello welcome to TechBirdie will should appear on the screen. So and again the computer screen must freeze until we hit enter on the screen. So just run the program. Oh, okay, I have to remove this return 0 also, sorry. Okay, so now we will run the program and check out, and here we go. So you can see as there are various kind of errors generated on running the program, and the program is not executed. So what's the problem here is that we have used here conio.h header file library in our program. As this now the main problem with this header file is that it is not a standard header file for the Windows operating system. This header file was earlier used for the compilers of the DOS operating system, and it's not a standard header file for the compilers like MinGW and VS Code editors in the Windows operating system. So we can't use this header file in Windows systems. So what is now the resolution of this problem? And also we can't use the commands included in this header file like clr scr commands and getch commands here. Now we will discuss what we can do. So what you have to do simply is just replace this header file by another header file stdlib.h standard library header file, and you have to replace these clr scr commands by system double quotes and cls for Windows operating systems and clr for Mac or other operating system, and just we have to put a semicolon. So similarly I will just copy it out from here, and I will replace this one also from here by the same. And for the getch statements, what you have to do is just replace these getch statements by getchar statements. So I will replace this getch statement and copy it out from here. As you can see that you must have good skills of copying and pasting also in while making the programs, as you will require it at various stages. So you can see that I am a very lazy person here, and I have copied it out. So now we will run this, and might also have the doubt that what's this void main difference between the void main and int main. So generally what's the difference is here is that void main will not return you any value, or it will return you zero value, and the program will just say that the value zero value written and the program entered with return value 0. So what's the difference here in void main and int main is that int main is a function which returns you with the integer value So that's why we like if I would change here int, then int is a function which will return you an integer value, and that's why you have to at last put return 0 for the same. But if you are using the void main instead of using int, then you don't have to put anything at the end of the program, as it will directly make the computer understand that we don't have to return any value. What you have to return, you have to return void. So now we will run this code and see that first the screen will be cleared, printf statement welcome hello welcome here will be displayed, and the computer will free and the screen will freeze until we hit enter. Then again the screen will be cleared and this output would be removed, and the hello welcome to TechBirdie would be displayed. Okay, so as you can see that my visual code was updating in the background, and I did not figure it out. So that was not a sort of issue you have seen. So okay, and as you can see that it's the same program as shown to you, and if I will run it in front of you now again, so this program will simply run. First hello welcome here will be printed on the screen. So first hello welcome here is printed. Now I will hit enter. I have hit enter and hello welcome here has disappeared, and what you will find on the screen is that hello welcome to TechBirdie. So this is simply the replacement of the earlier versions of the programs which are written using the Conio.h header file. So if you like my content, then please share, subscribe and like my channel, and also provide this link of the channel to your friends so that they can also get benefit from it. Thank you and have a nice day.